I've attended some engagement events, engaging, the general public, whoever that is, right, around gene drive and just vector control technologies or conservation technologies in general. But some of the events I attended were organized in partnership with market research firms, which I think is already a really interesting thing. So yeah, in that case, that looked like conservationists and biologists with an interest and a duty because of the agencies they work with to conserve endangered species. And so they're kind of, looking at a wide swath of potential technologies, including genetic engineering. And in those conversations leading up to the events I attended, there's sort of, as I learned through interviews with my participants for my dissertation work, there's sort of conversation around, sort of the optics of the work and how best to communicate with the non-technical public around these technologies. And in my experience, there was really just careful choices and strategic choices around how to name or not name certain technologies. So in the focus group that I attended, gene drives were discussed as one option of a menu of things, right? They talk about sterile insect technique, they talk about pesticides, and removal of standing water, all these things to control mosquitoes. But when they talk about a gene drive, and they just didn't call it a gene drive, right? When they talk about Wolbachia, which they did, they might call it mosquito birth control. So there's these moves that are being made that are, framed as science communication, but nevertheless are being shaped by, being shaped by different values and different choices around what certain actors think the public is able to hear without, freaking out, basically.